Super Ryan. Who else is gonna help now? No. Maybe Ninja Ryan could help. What do we have there today?
Today, hi guys, today we have Brian's Toys Mystery Egg. And I already know this is shaped like a spaceship and an alien inside.
How do you know it's a spaceship? It could be a cookie.
Now it's a spaceship.
It could be a donut.
No.
It could be a paper plate.
No, but there's also a squishy toy. I don't know what it is. Yes, open this up. Now let's open this up. A drone.
What is that?
It's a drone.
Does it really fly though?
I have no idea.
But first of all, why did you get this mystery egg? How did you earn it? You were a good boy at?
Taking out one teeth that's right here.
3 actually.
3.
Yeah.
That's because I have cavity teeth. 2.
Yes, which means no more candy.
I know. Okay, now let's open this up.
Cool.
Okay.
What do we have here?
Okay, this is so sick. Okay, I kind of. Okay, just open this one.
Name all of them.
This is Combo, and this is Squishy Ryan, Superhero, Ninja Ryan, has a sword, and Pet. And I don't know what this guy.
Okay, so we couldn't find him, but that's him right there. His
Yeah,
name's
that's-
Gus. So this is Robot Gus.
Yeah.
Let's see. It looks like Gus.
Okay, now, yes, get this out.
Who should we put in there? Can we put anybody in there? Because I don't think there's any rules. We could put any character in there. There's no rules when you're having fun. All right, let's put a character in there and make it fly. Let's get it ready for launch.
Yeah.
Ah, no!
So now we can put this on.
Ninja Ryan, Spaceship Ryan, Race Car Ryan, and
Robots Ryan.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a spider by a toe, Ninja! Whoa, okay, so me and Romeo discovered a little game. We just made it up as we went. So, Romeo, I'm gonna mix these up. I need you to pick Ninja Ryan.
Okay, in here.
Oh, first try. Good job.
Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!